TraderInsight.com. I'm Julie Mans, and these are the trade ideas for Friday, May 4th. So today's ideas did not pan out as I had hoped yesterday. Actually, they weren't valid setups for the morning. I had assigned everybody some homework, and one of our favorite clients had actually done her homework and said, I don't know if these are still going to be good for the morning. And lo and behold, by the end of the day, none of those had played out the way that or had closed in an area that I was comfortable with for the next day. Today we had a good day. I have some ideas for tomorrow. They're not perfect setups, but let me give you a couple ideas and then some more things to look at during the day. So what you have here is Tyson Foods, TSN. On the left is the daily, on the right is the 5-minute chart. We had an entry that was right here below the open. This was on our around the horn portion of our plan, and that has very clear entries and exits. That had an entry, it traded lower and traded to our profit target and then kept going further. So if you got the extension, great. If you didn't and you just got your profits, that's great too. I'm looking at the daily chart to see if there isn't room for more movement in Tyson. And at first it looks like it's, I don't know about that. Then if you scroll back, I'm looking at this area here. Last 2 days it filled the gap from last September, October, and is now down into this range. So I will keep Tyson on my radar for tomorrow. Like I say, it's not my favorite setup. Again, you're going to want some confirmation, and you're looking for about 50 cents for it to go into this range here. So if it does break the lows tomorrow, or even better, if it would pull back to a pivot level and come back down, that might be very interesting. Another idea is a continuation in HFC. You could see that it made a big push higher today. It's been pushing higher almost relentlessly, right? There was a little bit of a pause here, which made for a great trade too. So it was a great day today. This was the entry you were given from the trading plan. It was on the more discretionary part of the plan, and then popped up to this was the target and actually went a little bit higher. So exit around this pivot would have been a great exit. And we'll see, maybe it pulls back a little tomorrow, and I'll look for HFC to the long side. I have an idea for everyone in Yum, which is a more unusual idea, but this was a short today on our XRV program and obviously didn't trigger and went the other way. But if you check over here onto the daily chart, what you see is, let me move this over to candlesticks so you can see it more clearly, is that it had an inside day today and couldn't quite make it back up into this range, and also had opened pretty close to the closing range yesterday. In other words, it didn't gap up here and move higher. I will be looking at Yum if it opens and trades lower, or if it opens lower, and see if it doesn't go lower. I'm just going to look at Yum tomorrow intraday and see if there are signs of weakness. Then I will look for Yum to the downside. I hope everyone had a great trading day today. We are looking forward to a great trading day tomorrow, Friday. Email me at julie@traderinsight.com if you have questions. Thanks so much.